Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Bryce of LJ Hooker and welcome to 6 Teece St Weston. We're here a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. We are hardy plank wall construction. Coming in the front door and we come into a large lounge dining. So you do have 45mm cornice, timber architraves and skirting boards, timber windows. Carpet and paint are okay. They're certainly not brand new. They're certainly not beyond salvaging, but they're certainly somewhere in the middle. You do have Venetian blinds, good updated gas stove. Kitchen has had a revamp sometime in the last 15-20 years, and again, showing signs of age, but in reasonable condition. So that's kitchen, that's dining. We've got our laundry here. What appears to be a suspended concrete slab. I'll just stick my head out the back. You've got electric hot water. And then you have the rest of your backyard. So fencing on the right-hand side leaves a little bit to be desired. The back and the right-hand side fence also could do with some repairs and maintenance, but otherwise, again, for its age, is fit for use. The scrap metal you see is going, and the lawn will be mowed prior to settlement. Just couldn't get it done ready for today's quick little video. Split system air conditioner and ceiling fans, as mentioned previously. Coming down into the master bedroom, again, another ceiling fan. We do have carpet, what appears to be gyprock walls. Again, paint's not too bad, but obviously some marks throughout. So could probably do with a repaint. Hallway with some linen press storage. We've got second bedroom. No built-ins in any of the bedrooms. And then you have your back bedroom, blinds, timber windows. So very much same. Throughout the home, you do have some evidence of mould that has been treated only today being the 23rd of July. So again, not quite sure how that will end up. Obviously, you've got some what appears to be damage to the ceiling. Into your bathroom. So at some point this has had a facelift, but you're still probably talking 15, 20 years ago. Shower over the bath. But again, needing a bit of TLC, but otherwise still reasonable. Other than that, that's our short little tour through 6 Teece Street. Certainly one that you could move into and do some work to. Certainly one you could sink your teeth into and do a full renovation. For more information about this property and others that we have listed and how we can help you get into the market today, please, as always, contact us for details. Otherwise, I'm Bryce Gibson. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.